we have played enough. We all know that win isn't built in runs or wickets. I think it is also built on marvelous catches, tremendous savings, and today was a great example of that. Just not the way we say, but also the numbers say. 2 game-changing catches by KL and Jadeja. We as a team saved 13 runs today. That was fantastic. So let's roll the carpet for today's evening star. On the field today, one person was like a lion today. Commanding on the field. Outstanding effort with directed savings and outstanding top catch. Mr. Jadeja. After Rohit, I think in this team, I think someone who always carries calmness, composure, always does his job efficiently, but he maintained himself very calm. A stunner on the catch on the leg side, Mr. KL Rahul. And here comes a big person who's been stretching his limits by every game. I think today we saw him outstandingly well. Kuldeep Yadav, you were we've been speaking about this medal a lot, and I think it's just not our medal. We made something which is beautiful, but also it is testament of our skill, fitness, and the will to put your bodies on the line. Today's winner. Let's Sorry guys, wait. Sorry. There. Please bear me for 30 seconds. KL Rahul will do the announcement.